First accused has been detained in Bihar's hospital murder in which 5 men armed with guns walked into the Paras hospital in Patna and shot a man who was undergoing treatment. The police have identified all the accused, but there is a new video that has come out after committing that crime, after attacking the man who was inside the hospital, getting treatment. Do remember that he was out on parole. He was in fact meant to be back in prison. Chandan Mishra was meant to go back, and that was today, the 18th, but he lost his life because of the attack that took place inside the Paras hospital. The men, after the attack, left the hospital and got onto their bikes. Do remember this hospital was very close to the police headquarters in Patna, and they were waving their guns while they were making their way out of there. Those visuals that you see on your screen of the men leaving the scene of the crime on their bikes, getting onto those bikes, making their way out of there, waving their guns in the air, very close to the police headquarters in Patna.
ये घटना अब जो कि अपराधी रहे हैं पूर्व के, और 24 से ज़्यादा केस इन पे दर्ज रहे हैं और सजा याफ्ता भी रहे हैं, उसी में जो कि वर्चस्व को लेकर लड़ाई थी, उसी को लेकर ये घटना करी गई है। इसमें जो जहाँ ठिकाने जहाँ प्लानिंग की गई थी, जहाँ छुपने का स्थान था, वहाँ पे पुलिस लगातार रेड छापामारी कर रही है और जल्द ही अपराधी को तक पुलिस पहुँच जाएगी और उन पर कड़ाई से कार्रवाई होगी। ये
बिहार जो है सहमा हुआ है, लगातार अपराधी जो हैं घटना को अंजाम दे रहे हैं और यहाँ मुख्यमंत्री अचेत अवस्था में है। पुलिस प्रशासन जो है, कल इनके एडीजी का बयान आता है कि मानसून में अपराध जो है बढ़ता है, यानी इतना बचकाना बयान है ये कि पलड़ा झाड़ रहे हैं, यानी कि इनसे अपराध कंट्रोल नहीं होता। और ये सीज़न बता रहे हैं कि ये सीज़न में जो है अपराध होता है। तो अब आप समझ जाइए कि पुलिस ने भी हाथ जो है खड़ा कर दिया कि हम जो है अपराधियों से नहीं निपट पाएंगे। कोई सुरक्षित नहीं, बच्चियों के साथ रेप हो रहा है, किडनैपिंग हो रही है, रंगदारी मांगी जा रही है, कोई बचा है यहाँ?
Exactly the way this entire crime was committed, right from the 5 men entering the hospital premises without getting notice, and then especially the way they actually ran away from the hospital premise after committing this horrific crime, where the patient was shot dead, though he was a criminal himself, but he was shot dead inside the hospital room and nobody stopped them. And if you see the visual which you are showing to our viewers, the way they are actually waving pistol on the streets of Patna while escaping from the hospital after committing the crime, it shows the fearlessness they have. It shows they have no fear of the law enforcement agencies. When they walked inside the hospital, they all must be very much aware that there are CCTV cameras all over the place. There will be security guards, though they are unarmed usually in the hospitals. So the armed guards are not deputed at the hospitals, but unarmed guards would be there. There would be lots of people, relatives, attendants of the patients admitted there. And they chose that particular spot to commit a crime, and they did not even try to hide their faces, which shows how daring they were. And after leaving the hospital premise, you can see 3 of them riding a motorbike, not trying to hide their face and waving pistol. They have a pistol in their hand. So it's an open challenge to Bihar police. It's an open challenge to the government of Bihar, and the police, our sources in Bihar police are confirming to us that they would aptly reply to this to the crime which has committed and which has come as a blot on the Bihar police. And they have got the clue as to which gang were involved. They have identified all 5 people. One person has been detained yesterday when the raid was conducted at Fulwari Sharif police station area. The Bihar police and the STF conducted that raid, and Bihar police claim that very soon they will be able to crack this case and bring all 5 of them to justice.